How to replace the battery of an OPS host board. First, we need to prepare a Phillips screwdriver. Then, unscrew the two screws behind the cover plate. Keep the screws aside for safekeeping. Slide and remove the cover plate by pushing it backward. There is a battery located below the host board. We need to use the screwdriver to press against the right side of the battery. The battery will pop up. Once the battery pops out, it can be removed. Let's check the battery model, which is CR2032 with a voltage of 3 volts. The side with the battery information should face up. To install the battery, align it in the designated position. After installing the battery, cover the host board with the back cover. Then, screw the screws back in place. If the battery is dead or missing, there can be two situations. The first situation is that the BIOS of the motherboard cannot save any changes or settings. The second situation is that the computer's system time remains fixed and doesn't synchronize with the correct time.